kwandete moroberio o capitation asabate batabna okonyorwa gwechibesa ekyo nigo kware mairi moroberio o CBE uria serikali etomechibesa gochia asechi skuru mapema na ende chisaine na bakwandete aborokigwa ba JSS amo mono no bwamate egatia aborokia ba junior secondary na skuru eria yeboroso.
We have an issue with the capitation. I'm appealing to the Minister of Education and the government to look at it because it is affecting the smooth implementation of CBC curriculum. CBC, that is competency-based curriculum. How can you nurture the competence in the children without funds? We want funds to be availed in time and the correct amount. 50% first term, 30% second term, and 20% third term, so that the ed teachers can run our schools well, so that our teachers can have funds to be able to nurture the talents amongst our children. So we want to appeal to the government to make sure that the funds are filled in time and in the right amount. Also, we have issues with the junior secondary school teachers. So far, we are working very well, and I want to appeal to the ed teachers to make sure that there is peace in stations. Don't allow teachers to be having staff rooms there, others having staff rooms the other side, such that we have primary in their own staff room, junior secondary in their own staff room. These teachers belong to the same institution. Yes. Though it is junior secondary and the primary, but they are under one head teacher. Let us have peace in the stations so that delivery of curriculum can be done well. So I'm appealing to the teachers to coexist peacefully for the sake of the children.
Omujumbe bwe bunge Ikolomani Moske Banad Shinyali nigo abereyo bongo